Standard, prepare for landing.
Hi everyone, welcome back, and this is me again, Nuria.com, back to my YouTube channel. How is everything? I know things can be a little bit out of hand at this point, but I'm pretty sure you will remain calm, cool, collected, safe and sound wherever you are. So, this time I'm taking you back to Bali. I know I've been traveling to Bali back and forth before the pandemic, during the pandemic with strict health protocol, and even recently before we actually have a stricter arrangement for movement between areas in Indonesia. So, this time in this video, I am sharing you one of my last visits to one of the cafes, one of my favorite cafes in Seminyak area in Bali. You know which one it is. So, Kudeta. Are you familiar with the name? I guess so. Many who have visited Bali before, especially before the pandemic, are pretty much familiar with one of these hippest, coolest spot in Seminyak. When we came and visited this place, it was in April 2021, I think. And it was sort of a beginning of the time when Bali start welcoming people again and businesses are open but still in the limited time, like they close at 9 p.m. instead of like until the midnight or even later than midnight. So by the time we arrived in Kudeta, it was not really packed with people. We do have a few guests beside us, but I mean, look, I came here before the pandemic and it was so difficult just to get inside, let alone having the bean bag, the bean bags, or having the seats right in front of the ocean or by the pool, for example. But at that time, I know it's a bit sad, but it was a little bit empty. Nevertheless, we decided to, just chill out. We don't have much time at that time, but we stick around and order some food that we like and get some drinks and just, try to reminiscing some lovely time in this very spot. Of course, it will be best if you can actually come down here during the sunset so you can enjoy an amazing view while having your drinks or your food around the area. But at that time, we couldn't make it on the sunset, so we came after the dark. I know it's a bit dark out there, but it's still nice to actually feel the breeze on your face or hear the sound of the waves, which is very intoxicating. Okay, so you've seen the ambiance of the cafe and how nice it is to stick around. Let's take a look at the menu now. They still have these lovely lines of food and nibbles that you can enjoy during your stay here. They have the famous pizza, they have the sushi, they also have the raw like the tartar or the sashimi and some extra other stuff in there. They have the pizza that I love so much, and they do have some small plates that you can enjoy together with your friends. Like one of my favorites is the gyoza, and then I think the fried cheese. It's so good. And of course they have the salad, one of my favorite dishes as well, and the mocktails as well as the cocktails are also available. I think I had my something to do with sunset or yeah, I think it's a mix of the pomegranate and the soda. It's so refreshing. So obviously, as you can see here, I'm trying to capture the food with my cell phone, but I guess it's just a bit too dark and the photos might be not so clear and the video is not in the best quality. But I have to say that the food is exquisite. We really enjoy our pizza, our churros, our salad, all our drinks, and our gyoza. It's just wonderful. So maybe next time coming back here again to Bali, I don't mind coming back to Kudeta as well. So what do you think? Will you be coming to Kudeta as well when you get a chance to actually visit Seminyak, Bali? I sincerely hope so. I know how sad it is to see how things unfolding lately due to the COVID-19, but I sincerely hope that things are going to get way better and better and better in the nearest future, and we can travel safely again to different parts of Indonesia, different parts of the world, and all of us will stay healthy, happy, and safe wherever we are. So again, thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to stay fit and see you on the next adventure. Meanwhile, see you around.